here at Trevino were search dogs led police.